Sky's the limit. And you have shown us that. Thank you so much for everything. I am full of gratitude and joy, really happy and feeling proud that yes, I can do it at this age also.
Yeah. 1 मिनट नम्रता मैम क्या बनाया मैम आपने वाह मैम ओके वेट आई कांट हियर यू मैम
Is it all right now? Can you hear me?
यस आई कैन हियर यू
We had to submit this just 2 days before. That was the last day to submit. And I'm still not too well. So that's my voice is very hoarse. I had 103 fever at that time. And I was doing this. And my husband was like, this girl is the woman has gone crazy.
आई नो
But I was really enjoying it. And he was also appreciating the passion that I was showing towards it. So it's worthwhile. And uh, I don't know what should I say. What this journey has really sparked this inside me. I can't even express. Uh, I mean, I can only say at this age, you have taught how to reconnect uh, to your creative side once again to me. And I'm looking forward to. I've joined the gold thing next, and I'm really looking forward to exploring more and learning more and letting my art speak even louder. Thank you so much. God bless you. Please inspiring us, motivating us, and teaching us so beautifully as you do.
वाह मैम दैट इज रियली अ ब्यूटीफुल पोर्ट्रेट आपने बनाया मैम
Thank you. Thank you. My other one is still incomplete. I'm yet to do it.
दिस इज ऑल्सो सो स्वीट कितना अच्छा है मैम
And these are my first charcoal portraits I've never done. In fact, my first classes ever of art in my lifetime.
वाह नम्रता मैम यू आर सच अ जीनियस आई कुड सी कि आप बचपन में यू आर डेफिनेटली अ प्रो आर्टिस्ट हाँ
Actually, I used to do this artwork for my niece and nephews, my son, and all their projects in the school, but never did it for myself. I mean, lately, I did, I just made one or two things for myself, and then I came across your, um, uh, can you hear me? Is
या
it
आई कैन
audible?
हियर
Okay. I came across your ad in the Instagram, and at that time I was in Himachal Pradesh.
यू
And there you were teaching that, then you gave an extra class on the YouTube, teaching that car and the elephant. So I found a paper there and a pen there, and I just drew that over there, and I got so inspired. I said, I have to join this now. So because I was doing this, I did this myself before, but that was with the pencil, not with charcoal, and not taught anywhere. So just now I feel there's so much of difference, what I can do now because I didn't have any technical knowledge that you're giving now. And I would do artwork otherwise, like I'll just show you, like these bottle transformations and all. I used to do for myself, like, yeah, things like
This
this.
feels like, this is like वो, I went to Goa once and वहाँ पे, there were these sort of bottles only जहाँ पे ये सब लगाया था उन्होंने
Yeah.
पेपर्स ये सारे small, but ऐसा ही लग रहा है कि it's like, machine made, not literally.
Yeah, so like just to pass my time and have this creative side, so I just kept on exploring things like this, at home. So every time my husband would say, "Why don't you join something?" But I really got inspired by you. So can you guess, Vaishnavi, like what I made this out of?
Uh, no, it must be an acrylic paint.
No, these are used tea bags.
Really?
Yeah.
कैसे मैम? How?
So I kept, the used tea bags and I then dipped into the coffee, burned the sides, and then decoupaged them.
कितना सही है, this is so unique, huh?
Yeah, so these kind of things, lots I was doing, but this charcoal you have introduced me to this, and I think these are the basics that you're teaching. Once your art, your freehand starts moving, sky's the limit, and you have shown us that. Thank you so much for everything. I am full of gratitude and joy, really happy and feeling proud that yes, I can do it at this age also.
Yeah, 100%.
And also, I'd like to thank your team members, Sandhya and Nishu ma'am and Priya. Although Priya was not one of our mentors, but she had called me when I had joined, and I kept getting back to her. And not even a single time she said, "No, I'm not your mentor. Please connect to your mentor." So I think she helped me out through and through. And Malay sir was the person who convinced me and encouraged me to join Gold. So thanks to him too. I wouldn't have been here. I wouldn't have joined further had it not been because I had my apprehensions whether I'll be able to do it or not. And he encouraged me, so I joined. I'm glad I did this. I'm
Wow,
happy for this. This I'm really feeling good. I
exactly.
can't believe that I have done this work.
Masterpiece, ma'am. Now, masterpiece is the word for this artwork.
Thank you so much, Vaishnavi. God bless you.
Super. Amazing. Ma'am, many students are requesting you to actually, have a session inside the gold membership, जहाँ पे you will be helping them with your skills, right? Like जो आप करते हो ना bottles के साथ. They wanted to
I would love to.
जब कैसे करते
That'd
हो?
be a pleasure. I think वो एक another chapter होगा that I'll begin to teach somebody.
Yeah,
That'll
like
be another chapter in my life.
of course.
All courtesy you. That'll be so nice. Thank you. Thank you.
Super, ma'am. बहुत अच्छा लगा आपसे बात करके and I think, ma'am, we are so blessed to have you because आपसे हम बहुत सीखेंगे. I can definitely see that. मैं आपसे
I
बहुत
have lots to learn from you. Thank you so much. You are and will always be our guru. Thank you.
amazing, ma'am. Most welcome. It was such a good pleasure to see you, ma'am. बहुत अच्छा लगा आपसे
Thank
बात
you. Thank
करके.
you so much.
Really so good.